Have you ever pondered the mechanics of making money with Redbubble print on demand? Well, ponder no more. Today we dive into the ins and outs of this lucrative opportunity. First things first, understanding what Redbubble is crucial. Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform that allows artists and designers to sell their work. With Redbubble, you can create designs for a variety of products, from t-shirts and hoodies to stickers and phone cases. The beauty of it is that Redbubble handles the production, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is create and upload your designs. So, how do you make this work for you? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up for a free Redbubble account. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and a password. Step 2. Start creating your designs. You don't necessarily need to be a skilled artist to succeed on Redbubble. Simplicity often sells well. You can use design software such as Adobe Illustrator or even free online tools like Canva. Step 3. Upload your design to Redbubble. You can choose which products you want your design to be available on. Remember to use relevant tags to make your products easier to find. Step 4. Set your profit margins. Redbubble allows you to decide how much profit you want to make from each sale. A higher profit margin means a higher selling price, so it's important to strike a balance between profitability and affordability. Step 5. Promote your designs. Share your designs on social media, your blog, or other platforms to drive traffic to your Redbubble store. Step 6. Sit back and watch as the sales roll in. Remember, patience is key. It may take some time, but with consistency and hard work, you can make a significant income from Redbubble. Now let's recap what you've learned. Redbubble is a platform that allows you to sell your designs on a variety of products. To make money on Redbubble, you need to create and upload your designs, set your profit margins, and promote your products. Remember, success on Redbubble doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and patience. But if you're willing to put in the work, Redbubble can be a great source of passive income, so why not give it a try? With a little creativity and determination, you could be the next Redbubble success story. And that's all for today. Until next time, keep creating and keep selling.